وسهلا قولا ولحنا منا لكم.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. Now this is that time of the year for which I'm planning for. My New Year preparation on this time, obviously 2026, that how actually 6 years ago we suffer, and that the time I start my work and today I am so proud of myself. But now I am thinking I am so busy with my dresses and work, and on all things that I didn't get the time to shoot a vlog, so I decided to make my vision board for my YouTube planning, and also my fashion designing work. As usually I try to clean my whole working room at the end of the year. Since by 6 years. So I decided to do the same thing but by sharing you. First I have planned all the thing what work I need to do as it is here. So first I am thinking to clean my all stuff. As it looks so messy, so let's begin by cleaning all things. So yeah, these are all my messy threads. Let's arrange them in the box. So yeah, second box also filled with all of my mostly used thread. So this extra thread I will keep in rough box. So, it's my trolley of lace, and some stuff let's arrange. Now, it's time to arrange the uppercase. It's done. So, my 2 tasks are done. Let's begin to another task. So now, move to next material checking task. But yeah, first I will make vision board, because it's December 29th, and only 3 days are left. ready, I will update it into phone wallpaper as I remember it regularly to do. I wish may your and my new year start with happiness. Happy 2026 in advance.